Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2003 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Fuel injected, 88 cubic inches, beautiful metallic blue paint scheme. It's got the floorboards, touring windscreen, locking side case. It's got a really nice Corbin saddle with blue flames on there, stitched. Only 9,900 miles on this awesome Harley Davidson. Wait till you hear that Vance and Hines exhaust. Heel toe shifter, fuel injection. Make your dreams come true, your Harley dreams come true for just $64.99. This bike is in excellent shape, low mileage, nice accessories. Come on by. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock.